Why and how does earthquake occur? An earthquake occurs when there is a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that causes shaking and ground vibrations. This release of energy happens when tectonic plates move and grind against each other. Tectonic plates are large slabs of the Earth's crust that float on top of a layer of hot molten rock called the mantle. These plates are constantly moving, driven by heat from the Earth's core. When two plates meet, they can either move apart, slide past each other, or collide. Earthquakes most commonly occur at the boundaries between plates, where the movement and collision of the plates cause stress and pressure to build up. When the pressure becomes too great, the rocks along the fault line suddenly break, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves. The severity of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale, which goes from 0 to 10. The scale is logarithmic, which means that each whole number increase represents a tenfold increase in the earthquake's magnitude. The regions where earthquakes occur most frequently due to the movement of tectonic plates. Some of the main earthquake-prone regions in the world include Pacific Ring of Fire, Mediterranean region and Alpine belt, Mid-Atlantic Ridge, Himalayan region. While scientists have made significant advances in predicting earthquakes, it is still difficult to know exactly when and where they will occur, making them a significant natural hazard. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.